I'm usually such a hot mess when I'm walking through New York. I usually have my carry-on bag, I usually have my suitcase, I usually have my work bag. It's a lot. So I'm very excited to try out this new suitcase and travel bag. It says that it's supposed to be able to carry everything. Can it survive New York? We are going to put it to the ultimate test. We are going to fill that suitcase up. So it says this holds 40 to 45 pounds, so we are putting her to the test. We are filling her up. It's also TSA approved and has a tech compartment that opens flat, so it's great for airport trips. I really want to take her hiking because she seems perfect for that. Oh, and Miss Ma'am is not getting wet. She's completely waterproof. So I'm going to put my blazer in this wrinkle-free attachment and see if it actually works. I'm testing all of these products afterwards once we unpack. It also comes with a little surprise bag, which I love. Just going to put some hair care products in it and the mask. Bye! Now, I'm a very type A personality, so in my mind, I'm just thinking like, what am I going to wear first? Okay, that needs to go on top. But let me know in the comments if you're more of a type A or you just like to go free. Time for my workout warm-up. Didn't think I had these conejos, did you? 99? 100? It also doubles as a home gym, so you're saving money. Also, I would normally use a quarter of this on a daily basis, which is definitely an easy carry. And this doubles as a safety weapon too, by the way. Anyone want a piece of this? Huh? You have to face the Kraken first. Well, it's a bit heavy for me, but this is why I squat 200, so I knew it was going to be a struggle, but I would sacrifice the added sweat for science. Really like that you can carry this different ways, but for me, I was walking like a jacked up gym dude on steroids who can't put his arms completely down. If there was less weight, I would love to use the side because it looks really professional.